Come with me to make buttermilk for less than $2 at the Dollar Tree. First, you'll need a measuring cup and a tablespoon, and then you'll need milk and vinegar. This recipe is really simple, and the active time you'll spend making the recipe is less than a minute, and the total time is roughly 10 to 15 minutes. That 10 to 15 minutes being the time needed for the milk to butter, that's not what it's called, but that's what I'm calling it because that's all I got. I'm using this buttermilk to make copycat IHOP pancakes, and y'all be getting that video later. My grandma taught me to make this recipe when I was like a child. We always go to her house and be baking, and that's when she taught me because we didn't have no buttermilk in the fridge. So in this video, I am doubling the recipe and using 2 cups of milk with 2 tablespoons of vinegar. And if you were to get 32 ounces of buttermilk at Kroger, it'll be about like $2.69 without taxes. But this recipe for 32 ounces of buttermilk is roughly $1.30. The next step is just to stir your ingredients. And it was around this time that I noticed the milk started getting clumpy. And basically it was already turning into buttermilk. And that is what it looks like after I thoroughly mixed it. And now we just sit and wait. I want to throw this out there. I've made buttermilk plenty of times before. So I don't know why I'm excited that it worked. I knew it was going to work. I'm screaming, look at that. It's thick. I'm real surprised that it's thick. I mean, not really, but yeah. Here's another view of the buttermilk. And it's been 10 minutes. Wow, we got buttermilk, y'all. And around this point, the light bulb went off. I was like, I've cooked with it and baked with it before, but I've never drank it. So I'm gonna drink it for y'all. We're gonna see how it tastes. I'm a little nervous, but it is what it is. The worst it could be is nasty, but I'm gonna still cook with it and bake with it. My grandma said growing up, they used to like eat it with cornbread and stuff like that, and that's what I heard country for. So I actually evil laughed here because I was pleasantly surprised at how good the buttermilk tasted. And now I see why they used to eat and drink with buttermilk. That don't mean I am, but I get it now. Even though the homemade buttermilk is clumpy, it's tangy due to the vinegar, just like the store-bought buttermilk. And here I'm saying that the store-bought buttermilk actually tastes really good. Like I said in the last clip, it tastes kind of like Greek yogurt. It's really creamy. That's kind of the big taste difference between homemade and store-bought. It doesn't matter if it's box milk from the Dollar Tree or milk from the refrigerated section. The buttermilk is still going to end up clumpy, and that's okay. Thanks for watching, y'all. If there are any other recipes you want me to make, please let me know in the comments. Bye.